Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a little resto mod Mustang 1965 coupe. I will give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and also the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars. We're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a walk around, we're going to do a cold start, we're going to give you some of the extra details that you don't necessarily get in all the pictures that we have. Speaking of which, you can click on the link in the description and you can go right to all the pictures on this car and you'll see it all right there, or you can go to our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we currently have close to 100 classic and collectible cars in our inventory, ranging from cars all the way back in the 20s to cars in the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for a classic and collectible car or pickup, we probably have it here in stock at Ellingson's. But today we are going to look at one of the nicest little resto mod Mustangs that we have had in a very long time. Absolutely, of course, the right color. Resale red. Beautiful red base coat, clear coat paint on this car. Absolutely spectacular. I mean, it is just wonderful all the way around. I can't find anything in the paint that doesn't look absolutely wonderful. It is just great. The car was done by someone who really had an affinity for looking for details, because that's what we always look at when we purchase cars that we have here in Ellingson's, because it just has all the right stuff. Beautiful chrome. I mean, I love the little high performance 289 emblem on the side there. It is not actually a 289, it is a 302 V8 with lots of performance upgrades, from aluminum intake to the 4-barrel carburetor to custom headers. And this is also one of those cars someone really put the good stuff in. You have power steering, you have power front disc brakes, you have vintage air conditioning. I mean, and take a look at that engine compartment. I mean, it is spectacular. Every little attention to detail was done. It has all the upgraded wiring systems in the car. It is just, someone really did it. The specialized Monte Carlo bars that are in there, the high grade, high tech ones that you will notice when you look in the pictures as well. Not only did that, they upgraded the wheels and tires. I mean, the rims, of course, are the Mustang custom 17 inchers with the radial tires. And I'll tell you what, that radial tires just makes this car just ride so smooth, go down the road, just absolutely wonderful. Now, we've got all this beautiful stuff. We got a fiberglass hood on this. We got GT stripes down the side, even the fog lamps in the front. I mean, so they put all these components together to really make that special Mustang package for the resto mod itself. Now, you put all this stuff together, and there's one last thing. What transmission are you going to put behind it? They put a Tremec 5-speed in it, and I'll tell you what, I just drove this car a little bit, and that is a smooth shifting car. The transmission's great. Everything about it was just really spectacular, just really, really well done. Then you go and you can take a look at everything. I look at all these little details. Like all this stuff around here is all very, very nice. It's not showing any pitting. It's beautiful chrome all the way around. And like I mentioned, got the GT stripe package that goes down the back. Just kind of adds, when you have a monochrome colored car, that just like breaks up the bottom a little bit, just makes it a little nicer. Take a look at the inside in this car. Oh my goodness. They've got the Autometer custom gauges from all the gauges, including the speedometer. All that kind of stuff is right there. And as I mentioned, it has vintage air conditioning, which is just really, really nice to have, even in one of these little cars. Nice color interior, the white ivory type interior, bucket seats, of course, with seat belts. Also, the center console is in there. Just all these little things that the guy who put this thing together just was really thinking, I want to do this first class. And I'll tell you what, it is. You got the dual exhaust out the back, you got absolute, the trumpet, the exhaust tips, beautiful mufflers this thing has. As you probably listened, when you listen to the entire video and watch it, you'll hear the startup. This thing's got a nice sound to this car. I mean, these cars were sporty when they came out. I mean, they were an inexpensive car. They were something that the average person could have and enjoy. You could buy it with a 6-cylinder motor if you weren't performance orientated, you were thrifty minded. You could have a 3-speed in it and a 6-cylinder, got great gas mileage. Or you could have the 289 high performance motor, which was a little bit more on the performance side, of course, and it had you could get a 4-speed as well with these. Most of them, a lot of people like to have the automatic transmissions. This guy was thinking, because it was already a stick car, he wanted to have a 5-speed in it, and I'll tell you, that is just one heck of a good transmission for these cars. The other thing that I noticed, it's got a beautiful padded dash. Again, another accessory that you had to special order when you did it. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. Like I say, beautiful interior. Oh my gosh, it is just very, very well done. Now you can find this, you can find all our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it, and you'll always find something interesting about, say, this car or any of our other cars in our inventory. Now, many people ask, where did this car come from? Where was it born and raised? Well, you know, it spent a great deal of its time down south in Oklahoma. Nice place to come from. You know, take a look at the underside on this car. Again, really, really nice. I'm just thinking there's not too many other things I can tell you about this one. It is just one of those that maybe you want to come down and look at in person. You're more than welcome to do that. Come on down. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and we are open Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. If you're one of these guys that want to come down, touch it, take a look at it, it's right here on our sales floor. So we appreciate you watching us today. We thank you much, and we hope to see you in the near future. Come on down.